Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, 19 years old. 19 years old. That is the age of Kevon McKenzie, the young man who most of you would have seen by now ended up in tragic circumstances as he lost his life at his workplace, right? He was doing his job, pumping gas. He worked at a Texaco gas station, right? One of them along Canton Spring Road, right? Most people probably know that Texaco is right by Courts, right? So any Jamaican who lives in Kingston must know that Texaco. And if you know that Texaco, you know that Texaco is in open land. It's literally sitting right beside Canton Spring Road. You have plaza in front of it, side of it, all about, as I say, Coach there right there, so, right? This is a big open area. This was not some alley. This is not some dark corner. This was not some bush. Yet still, this 87 was so confident, was so sure, was so secure that he could take out Kevon McKenzie and get home back safe, that he still went for the youth in broad daylight. See, wanting to understand where Jamaica is in 2020. Wanting to understand the lack of respect, the lack of even second thought that these 87s now have. Anywhere them will come for you. Broad daylight in a place where them know have camera. How can a Texaco gas station not have a camera? Them know that, but they still turned up. Them still take out the youth, right? Now, people, I want you to understand something here. I posted a video on my Instagram, right, at Politics Watch, for those who don't know. And the video was of the young man, Kevon McKenzie, lying down, face down on the ground, right? Leaking out time head top, right? And just as he was, and you can see that when you look at the video, you can see that this is moments after it happened. Moments, right? One of his co-workers, allegedly, because people say him co-workers because he don't want a red shirt too. So people say him co-workers. Proceeded to bend down and start take up the money where Kevon McKenzie did have in his pocket or in him, and I don't know where he was keeping the money. You know, gas station man, them always have money upon them, right? And it looked like $1,000 and about $300 note to me. Anyway, as I said, Kevon McKenzie lie down, face down on the ground. The youth man leak up on the ground. And this co-worker was so calm, cool and collected that he casually strolled down and take up the money, right? Because surely in a time like that, that is the number one thing that crosses your mind. You need to go on my Instagram and watch this video, because when I describe it to you, you cannot, the context just can't register in your head. The scenery can't register in your head. You have to actually see this video. You have to see where Jamaica is in 2020, where people have become so numb. People have become so immune to the crime and violence. That's your co-worker. Just get wet up, about 4 to him head, right? Lie down on the ground, face ground, right? And leak out on the ground, and you just casually stroll over. Yeah, let me take up this money, because boy, we can, you have to make sure that the money get taken up, because that is the most important thing right now.
Nothing wrong with the co-worker though. Nothing wrong with the co-worker though. What you want him to do? Left the money on the ground, the blood touch it, right? Of course, he must take out the money right there, so that is the most important thing. The youth done gone already. So what you want? You want him to just left the money, right? So that blood can't touch it. No, the youth have to take out the money, right? Nothing wrong with the co-worker though. Allow the co-worker alone. And tell me something then, Mr. Sir P. Why not tell me something? Why Harry Hype son, right? I work at gas station. Why big selector? Harry Hype son, I work at gas station. I don't think they ever talk about. If you ask Harry Hype, why him son I work at gas station, right? That ever talk about. All I do I make up things to get views.
Well, simple Simon, if it's one thing you're good at, it's living up to your name. First of all, what he does have there is a crime scene. A fresh crime scene. When you go over there, go take up things off a man and move things from a man, and you have 100 people encircle the youth right? You've now trampled that crime scene. You've made the people who work at senior crime life that much harder, right? And this is the thing. There's no way my co-worker can just get wet up, lie down on the ground and a leak out and head top. And the first thing come to my mind is take up $1,000 and a couple $100 bill. I don't care if it's $100,000. There's no way that is the first thing come to my mind. And it's not even so the fact him take up the money. It is the way how him take up the money. People, you have to watch this video. Right? It's on my Instagram. As I said, my words, I cannot describe, right, the video the way. My description will not have the impact as how you see it when you watch it. It is incredible, and this is coming from somebody who's been around these kind of things from a very young age, right? Very young age, right? Even before we go in the uniform, we used to see people in a situation like this, right? So it's not like I'm telling you from somebody who's never seen nothing like this. But I'm telling you right now, if that was my co-worker, if that was a complete stranger, to me, there is no way I could be so nonchalant about stooping down and taking up some money off of somebody, right? Or side of somebody who, as I said, literally had them hit up a leak out upon the ground, right? The body they even gone cool yet. What I said, that is where Jamaica is right now. Now, addressing the next foolishness, Simple Simon said a while ago. It's about Harry Hype. Now, Harry Hype is the father of the young man. For those of you who don't know, Harry Hype is a big selector. I think he work with Boom Boom, right? And the two of them travel the whole world and play a song, right? Now, I don't understand what the problem is. The fact that his son work at gas station. Can somebody tell me something? When did it become shameful to earn an honest living in Jamaica? I don't know. Maybe I'm getting too old, right? As I said many times, maybe I'm getting too old. When did it become shameful to earn an honest living in Jamaica? What people on social media talk about why Harry Hype's son work at gas station? I don't understand. First of all, it's not like Harry Hype is Jay-Z or Kanye West and him have hundreds of millions of US dollars, right? He's a selector. And regardless, we should be commending the young man for all the work. Isn't that what we tell them? We tell young men every day if you go look work. And when them go look work, people want to mock the kind of work them have. Right? And this is the kind of culture we have. When we praise the man, them we're telling them about brick pan brick and tell us them a scammer. And them man they want to look up to. Right? And them man they want to big up and sing songs about. Right? Thief, crooks. Them people that Jamaica idolize and put on a pedestal. Right? And glorify. But a young youth, 19 years old, who will get a job, right? Down a Texaco, a pump gas. People go like them want shame the youth and him not even there anymore. You see someone sticking on the head. Now you see why earthquake come at Jamaica. Now you see why so much foolishness are going on. When it's sticking on the head. When did it become shameful to earn an honest living? I don't understand. The youth is 19 years old. 19 years old. In my opinion, that's a great job for a 19-year-old. When they go American in place there, when they go American England in place there, when they check 18, 19-year-old, them have jobs like them work a Pizza Hut, them work in a KFC, or them a delivery guy, or them job that them have. That's a great job for a 19-year-old to start out. What not talk about? But people got them want to shame the youth and shame the youth father, cause Harry Hype him father and him work at gas station. What to that? Of all the things in the sea in that video, of all the things in the sea with this scenario, that is the thing that Jamaican people want to talk about on social media. That is the key point. Harry Hype's son work at gas station. Something can go so. We know that this country is sick. That is what we want to talk about. That is the key takeaway here. That Harry Hype's son work at one gas station. People are sick. And I posted the video, right, on the website, politicswatch.com, of the entire thing of how the youth pull up on him. In my opinion, Kevon know the shooter. Kevon know the youth to wet him up. Right? That is my opinion. Even when him turn on and look on the youth initially when you watch the video, it's almost as if for a second he meditate like, is this why a real something this? Right? And the youth who come for him is a young youth. That is the body of a boy. You see the youth will come for Kevon? He is a boy in probably the same age as Kevon. right, or younger. That is the body of a boy. This is what we have to realize. Because people don't seem to realize it, that age doesn't mean nothing more in Jamaica. One time gone when I hear something I'm to a 16-year-old or 17-year-old and people accuse me of doing things. Yeah, I said, but a little youth, what little youth can do? Listen, age doesn't mean nothing in Jamaica. You have 14-year-old, 13-year-old, 87s who are young people left, right and centre. I told you about the youth in a Stone Crusher who was 15. One of Stone Crusher's top shooters was a 15-year-old youth. And he was 15 when him drop out. Him started young people from him even younger than that. People need to wake up and take on the head out of the sun. Jamaica need to start major in the minor things. Every time something happen, people pick out the most smallest, most insignificant thing and focus on that. Right? Nobody now focus on the fact that this 87 was so brazen. If you go in an Arthur tree, we go up on Canton Spring Road, I want to take it in a broad daylight in a place where no camera there, and he was still confident saying, could I take out the youth, get away, and bust the case. That is where we are at 2020. A man come message me, ask me foolishness, but why Harry Ibsen at a gas station? We have to block him. And people can say what they want about me, but listen, I don't come from an environment where such foolishness is even tolerated. Sorry, even the good books do not suffer fools gladly. That is a ridiculous conversation. I'm not going to have that conversation with you. I'm not going to have a conversation with you as to why Harriet the Selector's son work a gas station. I'm not. Please go away, leave my channel alone and leave my Instagram alone. What I'm going to tell people is, Sir P. Fassi, alright, cool. Right? But I'm not going to have that conversation. This is ridiculous. Majoring in the minor things. Jamaica, take on the head out of the sun. This, right now I feel like more on trope. This is disgusting. People, get a grip on yourself. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment and share the video. Bless.